Dear students, the differential equation is one which contain the differential coefficient dy by dx of any order, that is of first order dy by dx or d2 by dx2 or d3 by dx3, so on, separated by plus minus sign. Here y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. You know all these things, but I am going to revise you about the degree, order, and the given differential equation is linear or non-linear. A differential equation be non-linear differential equation. Non-linear differential equation if number first its degree is more than 1. When the differential equation has degree more than 1, it is non-linear. Second thing is that any of the differential coefficient has exponent more than 1. If exponent of any differential equation, differential coefficient of the differential equation has exponent more than 1, it will be non-linear. Third one is that exponent of the dependent variable, that is y, is more than 1, then also it is non-linear. Fourth one is that products containing dependent variable and its differential coefficient are present, then also it is non-linear. Now I am going to take the standard form Pn dny by dxn, nth order differential coefficient dny by dxn into P0 plus P1 into 1 less than n dn minus 1y upon dx power n minus 1 plus P2 dn minus 2y upon dx power n minus 2 plus so on and so forth. Pn minus 1 dy dx plus P1y is equal to q, where P0, P1, P2, P3, Pn minus 1, Pn all are constants or functions of independent variable x. This thing you should remember, that the product of differential coefficients should be either constants or functions of the independent variable x. Then only this equation is linear. Now I am giving some examples here. I am taking some examples by which the linearity will be illustrated. Number first, d3 by dx3 whole cube minus 6 d2 by dx2 whole square minus 4y equal to 0. Clearly, the highest order differential coefficient is 3 due to presence of d3 by dx3. So order of the differential equation is 3 and degree is also 3 because the power of highest derivative is 3, this 3. Due to this reason only order is 3 and degree is 3. Now here degree is more than 1 because degree is 3, which is more than 1. Therefore this is non-linear differential equation. Second question, d2 by dx2 plus 2 dy dx whole square plus 9y equal to x. Clearly the highest order derivative is 2 here, and so order is 2, and power raised to highest order derivative is 1, therefore degree is 1. It is a non-linear differential equation due to presence of dy dx whole square, because the differential coefficient power more than 1 should not allowed. So it is non-linear due to presence of the exponent of dy by dx, that is 2. So it is non-linear differential equation of order 2 and degree 1. Now we have question number 3. x square plus y square dx minus of 2xy dy equal to 0. So x square plus y square upon 2xy equal to dy by dx. Clearly order is 1 because only dy dx is present. Highest order derivative is 1. So order is 1 and its degree is also 1 because power of dy dx is 1. Now the question arises, it is linear or non-linear? It is non-linear because the power of y is 2. The y is dependent variable, its power is 2, which is not allowed. Second thing is that y is multiplied here by dy dx, and so also it have, due to presence of product y into dy dx, this is non-linear. So two reasons are here by which it is non-linear: due to presence of y square and due to presence of the product y into dy by dx. Now you have this question number 4. d2y dx2 minus 5 dy by dx plus 6y equal to sin x is a linear differential equation of order 2 and degree 1. It is a linear differential equation because y square is not present, power of y is 1, that means coefficients of the differential coefficient d2y dx2 dy by dx are 1, minus 5, that is constants. Second thing is that this q, that is sin x, that is the function of variable x. Due to this reason, it is a linear differential equation of order 2 and degree 1. Now here is question number 5. d3x upon dt3 plus d2x upon dt2 plus dx dt whole square equal to e power t. Clearly this equation have highest order differential coefficient as 3. So its order is 3, but its power raised to d3 x dt3, highest order derivative has power 1, so degree is 1. It is non-linear due to presence of dx dt whole square. It is not allowed that the power of differential coefficient is more than 1, and so it is non-linear differential equation of order 3 and degree 1. Here question number 6, d2y dx2 plus 4y equal to 0 has order 2 and power raised to the highest derivative is 1, so its degree is 1. It is linear differential equation. Linear differential equation. Okay. Now question number 7. This one, dy dx whole square plus 1 by dy dx is equal to 2. Here order is 2 and degree is 1 because highest order, power of the highest order derivative is 2. Highest order derivative is dy by dx, its highest power is 2, and due to this reason order is 2 and its degree is 1. It is a non-linear differential equation due to the presence of dy dx whole square. And question number 8 here, root of 1 plus y dash whole square equal to c d2y dx2 power 1 by 3. Squaring on both sides, 1 plus y dash square equal to c power 2 by 3 into d2y dx2 whole power 2 by 3. Now cubing on both sides, 1 plus y dash whole square the whole cube equal to c square d2y dx2 whole square. Its order is 2 due to reason that highest order derivative is 2 and its power raised to that one is 2, and so degree is also 2. Order and degree are 2, and it is a non-linear differential equation because d2y dx2 has power 2, that is its power is more than 1, and so this is non-linear differential equation. Now you have question number 9 here, d2y dx2 plus dy dx whole square plus xy equal to 0. Its order is 2, degree is 1. Because highest order derivative is 2, so order is 2, its power is 1, so degree is 1, but due to presence of dy dx whole square, it is non-linear differential equation.